New construction single-family home sits on 1 acre. Minutes to Pruden Boulevard, RT 460, Route 58 West / easy access to Hampton Roads. Country living. Fabulous open floor plan, beautifully appointed kitchen west / granite countertops, white cabinets, soft close drawers / doors, stainless steel stove, microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator. Family room west / fireplace, a dining room, mudroom area, powder room and laundry on the first floor. The primary bedroom has a huge walk-in closet and an incredible ensuite, separate soaking tub, tiled shower, double bowl vanity, and private water closet. 3 additional bedrooms and a full guest bath, west / double bowl vanity, located on the 2nd floor. 2-car attached garage west / opener. Well and septic. Builder offering closing cost assistance west / use of Ginny Preferred Settlement Company, 2% of the final sales price.